everyone, it's Miranda Curve.
I'm Katrina Kaif.
I'm Anissa.
I'm Alaya F.
And today we are going to create magic.
I'm going to be sharing some of my daily wellness and beauty practices that really help me glow from the inside out.
Today I'm going to be taking you through my hair care routine.
I would like to share with you my skincare nighttime routine.
Today I'm going to be taking all of you through all the really fun, interesting makeup hacks that I picked up along the way.
We are going to make sure that you, yes, you can look just like me.
Today I thought I'd show you how to do the perfect red lip.
Tune into Vogue
India's social media platforms for all the action.